Hello everybody and welcome back to another lockpicking video. Today we continue our series on these ABUS locks I've shown you, and today I'm trying to pick this, I don't know what model it is, it's a door lock for sure, but really no idea what the model number is because the key bow is just so strange. We'll see from the internals what it holds up, but usually I would expect an ABUS key to look like this for the older models or like this for the newer models, and really not so sure what model this is. And it also has here these, it has 5 pins, but these ones are black for some reason. I've never seen that. And yeah, I guess there's only one way to find out what's inside. Let's pick it and then we can have a look at the guts. So let's put it in a vise and see you back in a second. So here we are back in vise. Looks just fine. Let's take this thick tensioner here with the thin end. Fits perfectly. And the steep hook in 0.5 millimeters. And yeah, let's start picking. So one binds first. I think 2, 3. Okay, 4's binding. Okay, 2's binding now. Okay, let's go to the very back. Okay, 5's binding. Good. 2 again. Ah, 2 was still binding. So let's check the back again. I think 5, 4. Oh, 2 again. Okay, 3's binding. Four's binding. I have to be very, very gentle with this one. Good click. Let's see where we get with that. I think 1, 2. Okay, 3's binding. Good click. And the front is still happy. Okay, 4's binding. Small click. Let's check the rest. Okay, 4 again. Yes. Okay. And we're open, huh? Okay, took me quite some tries actually, because I kept oversetting pin 4, and I will show you that in a second. But first let me fast forward through this gutting and see you back in a second. Okay, welcome back from fast forward, and I left still key pins 3 and 4 in, and yeah, while trying to record this, 4 was really causing me troubles, and now I know why, because I think I kept oversetting this very nice spool here. Yeah, this is the new style ABUS spool, and the way it sits here is right at shear, so the thin part never comes into play. But if you expect a spool-like behavior, you will probably overset. And the mean thing is, in this case, the key pin in here is a nice overset trap. Let me show you what I mean. So this is the key pin, and yeah, if you overset this over the shear line, you will be caught, and you will get a very deep fault set even, and you will not recover from that. And I had this multiple times while trying to record this. So I had to be super gentle with pushing on pin 4 here, and yeah, finally got it, of course, but it can take you a moment. And yeah, these T-pins are really nice addition to the spools. So let's take a look at everything. Yeah, nothing interesting to the housing really. I had to take out both C-clips, unfortunately, and it will be fun to put back together. Here's the core, also nothing special. It is not filed down, so good tolerances. Yeah, I don't know what this hole is for. Here's an indent for the C-clip, but nothing special on that side. Let's have a look at the pins. And we see very nice, I think, steel pins in chamber 1 and 2, all standard. And yeah, they are there for drill protection, I guess. And then we have brass pins all over the place. And yeah, look at these nice security pins. So for the key pins, we have like, what is it, T-pins in 3 and 5, inverted T-pins or whatever. I guess you can overset them, but I guess it's easy to recover for them, more for anti-bump, I guess. And yeah, then we have this nice overset trap I showed already in pin 4 for the key pins. And then in chamber 5, we have a very nice serrated driver pin. You really feel the clicks when you pick it. And then these nice spools in chambers 3 and 4, which can give you nice time, so to say, yeah. So overall, I would say a pretty decent lock. Good tolerances, good fun to pick, nice pins, quite good. So if anybody knows the actual model of this, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, let's continue our series with the next ABUS lock. Thanks for watching if you're still here, and yeah, hope to see you in the next video. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up. Bye.